Remember Shego? Yep, that's right. Shego from Kim Possible. To get this look, you need to start off with a moisturizer. It doesn't really matter what type of moisturizer it is, as long as it suits your skin. Apply a primer as well. This helps makeup to last much longer on the skin. I prefer to apply tapping motions during this step. Color corrector. Since Shego has very pale skin, you would need to color correct all your dark spots. Mine are under my eyes. With an angled brush, you want to create Shego's eyebrows. She always looks mad to me for some reason. She always looks upset or concerned. Also very devious. Apply concealer on the brow bone and on top of the eyebrow. Doing this gives you a much more cleaner look rather than a sloppy or messy look. Apply some foundation afterwards and be sure that the foundation is 2 to 3 shades lighter than your skin tone. We're only doing this for this time only because Shego's very light skinned. Unless you want to keep your true skin tone, I'm actually going to go with the lighter one. So for the record, this is absolutely optional. You can go with your original foundation. That's totally fine. So at certain points of this video, I'm gonna look like a total mime, but that's okay because at the end, it will give me amazing results. So I kind of want a more full coverage for this look, so I'm adding more foundation and concealer. Afterwards, you want to bake and set that. Now I'm going to go in and apply contour. So basically I'm going to use a concealer that's darker than my skin tone, and I'm blending that out with a angled brush. I'm also going to apply a slight bit of bronzer so it looks much more like skin. For this step, I'm actually going to contour my nose a little more excessively. Apply some scotch tape onto the corners of your eyes, outer corners. Basically, this is going to keep any fallout from, messing up our eyeshadow. Starting out with a lime green color, we're going to apply that into the crease and blend it. Again, if you need some more product, that's totally fine. You can go ahead and grab some more and just apply it the same way I am here. Now, using a green color that's darker, you want to apply it to the crease, but do not go over and interfere with the previous color we just applied. I'm going to use an off-white color and apply it to the brow bone. Using a detailed brush, go into your crease and apply this eyeshadow again. Apply some concealer onto your lid. Now apply a white eyeshadow to the lid. Sometimes you might have to go over the white eyeshadow with more white eyeshadow because sometimes it might not show up. In that case, it's totally fine. You can just go and add some more white eyeshadow. But remember not to go too far out with this eyeshadow. You want to make it centered into your lid. Now I'm going to remove the tape. And the tape might cause some spots to occur on your face, so just go ahead and dust that over. Apply mascara to your eyelashes. Don't forget your lower lashes as well. Create a winged eyeliner look. Now I know that Shego might not be wearing all this makeup, but this is just my ideal Shego look. Choose a pair of dramatic eyelashes. And apply them to your eye. Line your waterline as well. Now using a black lip liner pencil, you want to go over your lips. And basically I did two different looks. I did the original Shego look and then I did a full black lip look. And you're all set. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If you ended up liking it, please do give it a thumbs up down below. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family. If you want to see more videos like this in the near future, then please do subscribe to my channel. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. Until my next video, please stay safe and take care. Goodbye.